I built a system where GPT uses your trading experience, your rules, your notes, your mistakes, to think with you every session. It watches your trades, it spots your patterns, it gives you clarity in seconds. I turned that into a system. Now GPT does the thinking while you trade. Here's how I did it. To start, open ChatGPT. Go to Settings from the sidebar or press Command, comma. Scroll down to Work with Apps and turn it on. Then select Notion from the apps list and grant access. That's it. GPT is now connected and sees your entire journal. Now, let me show you the full power of combining it with your trading system. I've added a few custom prompts, and in this video, we'll break them down one by one. Let's start with a losing trade. Now, I open a losing trade and ask exactly what I want to know. What I missed, what went wrong, why it happened.
A fixed prompt helps, but it's not required. GPT understands either way.
Every flaw in the trade, every skipped rule, every emotional slip, it catches all of it. You'd spend hours trying to figure this out, going over charts, notes, second-guessing everything, and then GPT just spits it out. The exact mistake, the emotional trigger, the broken rule you didn't even notice. It's brutal because it's right. You can even train it to remember your weaknesses, track your patterns, and keep you in check next time you hesitate. And it's not just about fixing mistakes after the fact. GPT can help before the trade by checking the news, reading market context, and defining trend direction before you even click buy. I tested it on the newsfeed inside my TSB system, and the way GPT analyzed those headlines blew me away. It spotted macro drivers, sentiment, and even flagged risks from just a few lines of text. Then I asked it to pull fresh news from the web, and that's when it clicked. I never have to dig through 10 tabs again. But here's the real question. Can AI handle your entire trading strategy? The screenshots, the setups, the rules you've spent years collecting.
What if GPT could scan all of that in minutes and show you what's missing?
That's exactly what I tested next. I gave GPT full access to my trading base, the setups, the rules, even years of screenshot examples. I asked it to break my system. It found contradictions in my logic, flagged missing confirmations in my setups, even suggested better structure for my notes. Then I wondered, what if GPT can analyze a screenshot of the actual chart? The trade, the context. I gave it a chart image, and the insight it gave me was insane. It saw hesitation, premature entry, misconfirmation, stuff I didn't even write down. Now, honestly, not using this feels like being stuck in the past, like ignoring a cheat code built into the system. And that's not even the limit. I asked ChatGPT to suggest books based on my trading weaknesses, and it returned exactly what I needed to read. Mindset, discipline, decision-making, tailored to me. But this is just the beginning of what's possible when you connect AI with a structured system inside Notion. If you want a system like this, not from scratch, I've built one for you. It's a second brain for traders, built over 100 hours of structure, logic, and refinement. Click the link in the description to download and set it up in minutes.